Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing great. So in this video I'll be sharing 5 amazing skincare tips that you must try it on daily basis and you will love it. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Tip number 1 is apply rose water on daily basis. Rose water acts as a natural toner and can be used on daily basis. The best thing about rose water is that it works for all skin types. You can use as many times as you want. It keeps your skin hydrated. Rose water have lots of benefits. I'll make a separate video on rose water benefits. Let's move on to the tip number 2. Number 2 is try ice facial. Ice facial has become very popular in recent years because it is a natural and affordable and simple skincare technique that you can provide skin a lot of benefits. All you need to do is dip your face in cold ice water for 10 seconds. Do it for 1 minute in intervals. Do give it a try, you will surely love it. Tip number 3 is use vitamin E capsules for dark circles. Every night before going to bed, take 3 to 4 drops of vitamin E capsule oil and massage your under eye areas and dark circle areas and leave it overnight. Wash your face next morning with warm water and it will reduce dark circles. Results takes time, so be patient guys. The tip number 4 is use DIY night cream. You just need 2 ingredients. One is Evian vitamin E capsule and half teaspoon of aloe vera gel. I'm using this Orioles aloe vera gel. The quality of aloe vera gel is very good. You can use fresh as well or any good brand gel. Mix well and apply on your face and leave it overnight. Use daily for best results. So tip number 5 is use DIY toner in summers. You just need 2 ingredients to make amazing toner at home. Take half cup of rose water and add half teaspoon of glycerin. Shake it well and you guys love it when you try this. Use on daily basis for hydrated and soft skin. It's a magical toner literally. So yeah, this is it. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you do, so just subscribe my channel. See you soon inshallah in my next video with new amazing content. So take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye.